We're excited to be here today to make an investment in the Makerspace at Old Dominion University's Batten College of Engineering and Technology. The space is impressive in that not only does it show the knowledge that has come from benchmarking other world-class institutions, but the ingenuity of students who've been directly involved in the design and development of the space.
Best way I can explain the Makerspace is it is like a library, but instead of books, you have machines and equipment and students who can help you come up with projects and complete those projects.
Well, we're so fortunate to have partners and friends like GENEDGE. This is the beginning of, I think, 5 good years of working together, but I see this as just the beginning. I think what GENEDGE brings to us is an opportunity to engage not just their organization, but through their network and through the projects that the students will complete with their corporate partners.
This is the holy grail of the whole thing in education. Partnering with the industry, that's what we want. That's exactly what we want, because at the end, our students are going to end up in the industry. So we want to partner with them so we know what the problems are, so we prepare our students better so they could go to the industry ready to roll.
I think the most exciting thing I saw, the equipment notwithstanding, is the impact that it could have on students and their ability to dream and make those dreams become a reality through their own ingenuity.